Hey, sometime around the nighttime hour, probably morning something. I hope you can name it after me, the hurricane. My girlfriend, my baby mama, has wet pants 'cause she went swimming in the water. I went swimming in the water. There was a shark, a big ol' ass crocodile alligator. It's big enough to be a crocodile, and I got wet pants at my ankle all the way up, kinda hiding somewhat. So you can believe if you want, but if it is a hurricane, Hurricane Justin was the baddest fucking hurricane you can ever imagine. And we're riding it out kinda on a flimsy old ass boat that nobody can imagine. Everything I'm seeing right now or you seeing is not really there. So I'm probably around a certain area and I'll just try to tell it through my